Hey guys, today let's learn how to add layers over on the new Microsoft Paint. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add your own layers over onto the Microsoft Paint application, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do from here first is to go ahead and tap on this layers option to access our layers, and as you see we can actually go ahead and view one of our layers and also tap on this plus icon to add layers if we want to. And we now have 3 layers because I did tap on that button 3 times. And if you want to go ahead and edit these layers, let's go ahead and just tap on each layer if you want to go ahead and edit them. Let's say we will put this first layer at the bottom, let's put the layer on top, and let's put a brush tool. Let's use this tool over here to basically add a color picker, and I'm going to choose the color of this guy's background. And now we have the brush to color it in, and I'm going to go ahead and edit this brush. And let's make it a little bit more thicker. That's going to be good for us. And as you see, we now have the brush like this, and we can now go ahead and color that in. If you'd like to go ahead and add some text, you could also go ahead and do so by tapping on this text button. And let's go ahead and add that onto our next layer over here and typing that in. Let's change that color into a different color. Let's put a background on there so that we can actually see that. As you see, we can now go ahead and choose the selection tool. We now have the selection tools to select this part, but you could also go ahead and change this by removing and hiding each layer, changing the placing of each layer. Basically, that's all you guys need to know about adding layers on the new Microsoft Paint. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.